exactly 6 minutes away from Whole Foods when I got an instant offer, just like last weekend. This time it is offering $18 to $28. It says it's got 3 stops. One is including the Whole Foods, so it's 2 stops. It says it'll take me about an hour and 10 minutes, and I didn't see how many packages, but I will find out when I get there in about 3 minutes. So let's go make that money, honey.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah.
Just so you guys can see how I have my car loaded. This is all the non-refrigerated items. So this is the first stop. And then obviously all those packages is the second stop. And then for anything that is refrigerated, I put them in the back seat. So for some reason, Whole Foods locks up their carriages overnight. So I forgot that I need to grab, they keep a couple here in the carriage return, and I totally forgot about it. So when I first walked up, I tried to get a carriage and I couldn't get it. So luckily there was a couple over by the door. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Pretty seamless process. Got the car locked, loaded, and ready to go. We are headed to Palm Harbor. The first stop is 11 minutes away. So it is 6:45 a.m. My husband says that he went to Walmart. He wanted to try to get in there early before it got busy. And he said it's already jam-packed. So this is going to be a very busy Sunday. It's not going to be busy like, oh my God, yes. It's going to be busy like, oh my God. No. Long lines, out of product, you know, the usual. All because of the impending storm, Ian, that we have coming our way. Right, we got that one dropped off. The next stop is in Palm Harbor, 22 minutes away. Wow. No wonder why it would take so long. But she was sweet. She's got a coffee shop called the Haven House, and it was very beautifully designed, very beautiful building. All right, let's go deliver these groceries. Now we have daylight. What an absolutely gorgeous neighborhood. These are the big candy bar houses. But if I lived in this area, I would so take my kids out to this, well, my daughter really, it's only my daughter now, but I would so take them out to this area to go trick-or-treating. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, so now that I'm done, it says I'm about 16 minutes away from the Whole Foods, and that's kind of on my way back to my area. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to head back that way, still keeping my instant offers turned on. I'm going to open up Instacart and whatever other apps I need to, and if I get something else, then I do something else. If I get another instant offer, then I'll do that instant offer. Otherwise, I'll be back in my area and see what happens next. All right, so you guys know where I am. I'm at Starbucks getting myself something to keep me going. There's double shots in here, extra everything, so it definitely does the trick. So they did send me another instant offer, but I declined it only because I just didn't feel like it was going to be worth it. Definitely a farther out drive. Instacart is busy. Right now, I'm not in my zone. I don't know this area, and the orders don't seem to be great. But I also know that Spark's probably going to be busy too, because of all of this talk about the tropical storm. So I want to get back in my zone if I can and start doing some Instacart or any other, whatever I can. So, I mean, if I get an instant offer that is good, I'll grab it. Other than that, I'm going to head home and see what I can do. But I think that's it for this video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the pickup process at Whole Foods, and instant offers are definitely still strong. I hope you guys like this video. If there's a topic that you guys would like to see me cover for Amazon, any questions that you guys have, not even just Amazon, any app that I'm active on, so any app whatsoever, just let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see, and I will try to make a video of it if I haven't already. Because, you know, I'm here to help you guys out. So if you have any questions, if there's anything I can do to help you guys out, let me know and I will do my best to do that. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video and you want to see more of it, just hit that like button to let me and YouTube know that something good's going on here. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so now. I would truly, really appreciate it. And check out this video right here. All right, take care. Peace out.